This is a prediction of the future, which will be left right here in full view the entire time. And as you can see, I have my deck of cards right here spread out on the table, but I'm not going to shuffle it. You will understand why in just a little bit. As you can see, I have 2 jokers in the deck that are face up right here, and the other one right here. So what I would like you to do is, this is a little bit of an experiment. So I'm gonna have you choose any 3 cards that you want, but they have to be from this middle section sandwiched between the 2 jokers. So any 3 cards from this middle section is completely fine. Completely free choices. Let's say they do this one here, and the last one from a little bit lower. Let's say they do this one over here. They can completely change these cards for any other cards that they want. It's a completely free choice. There is no forcing going on here. So once they have these 3 cards, all I'm gonna do is flip the deck over and show you the exact state of the deck that it was currently in. So you can see we have the red cards on either side, and in the middle we have only black cards in between these 2 jokers. My prediction was, from the very beginning, I didn't change it. As you can see, I wrote, you will choose 3 red cards. Well, that doesn't really sound right because obviously these are only black cards here, but hopefully I can take my prediction and sprinkle a little magic over these cards, and hopefully the prediction will still be accurate. Here's how the trick works. You will need a full deck of cards, and you will take 13 black cards, place those on top of the deck, followed by the joker, and then you will have all of the red cards in the middle of the deck, sandwiched by that joker and this joker, and then the final bottom 13 cards will be black cards. So this is how the deck is prearranged in the beginning of the trick. So now you will spread the cards on the table, and you will have them choose any 3 cards from the middle. So it's a completely free choice as to which cards they choose, and obviously all of these cards in the center of the deck will all be red cards. Here's the secret move that you're going to have to do. When you square up the cards and flip over the cards for the spectator to see, you're going to execute a turnover pass. So you're going to square up the cards and get a break somewhere halfway, so somewhere in the middle of the deck. And the turnover pass looks something like this from an exposed view. You're going to flip over the bottom half of the deck, and then use your finger to turn over the top half as you tip the bottom packet down by releasing your fingers and then simply rotating this on top. What this will do is it will turn over the cards, but it will also cut the deck. So it will essentially switch around the order of the red and the black cards. So now the black cards will appear to have been the cards in the center the entire time, which will make the end of the trick super shocking when they see the prediction that says you will choose 3 red cards. And now the prediction seems like it was wrong, but it will always be right.